Eleni Shiamtanis here and welcome. Thank you for being here. Today I'm going to make a pink resin ocean. I'm going to use pebbles and the colours are going to be quite shimmery. I'm going to use some TLPs and it's on a 20 by 60 centimetre canvas. I did a blue one a couple of weeks ago, like a turquoise, and it was really beautiful. So I'm going to make the pink one and I think I'm also going to make a green one. I'll show you them all at the end. So let's go mix them up. I'll show you my colours that I'm going to mix in with my resin. I have 3 Magic Fly, soft pink, fluorescent lights, apricot and shining pink. I have 1 TLP, which is the sangria, 24 karat gold, which I'm going to use for my waves, and that's by Deco Art. I also have sand for the beachy part, and it's white sand, it's got like little gold stars in there. And these are my pebbles and shells that I'm going to put on top of the sand. I've prepped my canvas. I've stuck down some of this glitter, which acts like, gives it light from underneath and acts like coral reef. And I've just prepped the canvas with 1 coat of white. And this is my resin. It's craft resin. You can find it in my Amazon shop, and it's really good. It's got high ultraviolet resistance and low VOC. So it's a really good one, but always I do recommend that you always wear a respirator and double gloves when using resin. So I'm going to go mix my resin. I'm going to mix it for 3-4 minutes, scraping the sides and bottom, and I'll be back. I'll mix all my colours in and I'll be back. Taped my canvas underneath to keep it clean, put my push pins in and levelled it off, made sure it was absolutely level. I've added a piece of cardboard underneath to keep the canvas straight, because the resin can be heavy and can dip in the middle. And I've also cleaned my surface with some window lean, or you can use water with a little bit of dish soap. And so it's all prepared and ready. So let's go on to the next bit. I made sure my area is really clean and dust free, and I'm checking the level, which is perfect. Now with the finished cured result, and you can see all that beautiful shimmer in these colours. This one was the sangria and the 24 karat gold here. We have the white little foamy areas. It just looks so 3D, and I added my PBO relief outliner in some areas. I just love the look of it, gives it a 3D element. The pebbles are just so pretty, and the sand underneath, you've got the little gold stars that were in the sand, and this kind of lighter area here with the gold. And you can see underneath where the glitter sequins were. It just gives it a little bit of interest underneath and a little bit of a shine. And I hope you can see that. These colours are just so pretty. And I said I'd show you the other ones. We've got the blue one and the green one. And the green one has the silver and also the silver PBO relief outliner. And I think we've got Lagoon at the top here, TLP Lagoon, going into a mint colour here. You can see the mint colour shining through, and then some iridescent yellow here. And the titanium white, and I always add a little bit of the white alcohol ink, just gives it a lovely foamy look. And the pebbles are darker here, got like sort of green elements in some of the dark pebbles. And again, you've got the little gold stars. And then this is the turquoise colour. You've seen the video for this one. Well, not this exact one. I did the same sort of one, but I gave it as a present. So this is another one, but it's just using all the same colours. I think it's a couple of weeks ago, that video. You see all that shimmer. And that's all three of them. They look quite good together. So let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like to resin? And what colour do you like the best? Let me know. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And thank you. If you want to watch the video of the turquoise resin ocean being made, click the box on the left.